How to add spoiler tag on Reddit. So let's get started. First of all, open up Reddit in your device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Reddit account. Now, once you get to this home page, navigate to top right corner and click on create option. Now, we will create a post. So for that, first of all, select a community where you would like to create your post to. And under that, you have to choose the title for your post. And if you come down there, you have an option as body. So you can type in the text for the body for your post. Now, select a word where you would like to add the spoiler tag. For example, I want to add spoiler tag in the first word, that is hello. After that, if you navigate to this menu bar at the top, there you will find this icon as exclamation icon in this diamond shape. That's basically the spoiler tag. Click on it. After that, spoiler tag has been added to this word hello. Once it's on, click on this post button. Now as you can see, the spoiler tag has been added. Now click on this post again. Now to reveal this word or to reveal this spoiler, click on it. And there you go, the word has been revealed. So that's the way to add spoiler tag in Reddit. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.